Hi guys, welcome to Taste Like Home, and I am your pro cook Tulo. This is the second episode and today I'll be making a pasta dish. For this meal, these are the ingredients that you will need. Exact amounts in the description down below. To get started, you will need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, any will do, preferably salted, 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 onion which will be diced, 2 cups of pasta, any will do, half a cup of cream cheese, 4 tablespoons of Cajun spice, and finally 3 cups of chicken stock. And now to thank our sponsors, this episode was sponsored by Simongfruitandvege. Now to cook our pasta dish, you're going to take your cubed chicken breast placed in a bowl, then you're going to pour the Cajun seasoning over on top, and you're going to stir, ensuring that every piece of chicken is well coated. You could always season your chicken breasts a night before or a couple of hours before you actually cook. Place it in the fridge and you'll only bring it out once you are ready to cook. Time to switch on your stove, putting it on the highest heat. And once the pot has come to temperature, add the olive oil, followed by the butter. Heat the oil and butter over medium heat until the pot is very hot and the butter is melted. This may take time if your pot was not hot enough. I'm stirring my butter to fast track the process of melting. Add your seasoned chicken breast to the pot and you're going to sear it for about a couple of minutes on each side or until golden brown. Now remember, the chicken does not need to be cooked through at this point, as more ingredients like your pasta will be added to the chicken and we don't want it to be overcooked. You're going to stir, making sure that everything is well mixed together. Now add your diced chicken to the pot and continue to saute for about 2 more minutes or just until the onion begins to soften and it is fragrant. Make certain your stove is at a medium heat so that you do not burn your chicken and your onions. Stir your chicken and onions well. Next, add your 2 cups of pasta, followed by your chicken stock into the pot. Scraping the bottom of my jug, getting all the goodness into the pot. Now give it a good stir so that all your ingredients are well combined. Once that is done, then cover the pot with the lid. Allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts boiling, turn the heat down to a medium-low heat and let the pasta simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring every couple of minutes until the pasta is tender and the liquid is thick and saucy. Keep on stirring so that your pasta does not stick to the bottom of the pot and to allow your sauce to evenly coat your pasta and your chicken. Now, you're going to bring in about half a cup of water and you're going to add it to your pot. I'm bringing in more water as my sauce has reduced and my pasta is beginning to stick to the pot. Don't worry, this does happen. All you need to do is add about half a cup of water and keep stirring. Now introduce the chunked cream cheese to the pot. Then stir until it has melted. Don't worry, you will experience a bit of a workout, but this is good because your arms will be toned at the end of it. My pasta is becoming creamier and my sauce has thickened to the right consistency. Keep on stirring until there are no chunks of the cream cheese. I did warn you, you will get a bit of a workout. My pasta is almost ready to be served. Now plate in any deep bowl. To keep your plating clean, please always use a spoon as opposed to pouring from the pot into your plate. Now for the final touches. You can sprinkle some parsley, which will give your dish some color as well as bring out all the flavors in your pasta dish. Living up to my promise, Here is your restaurant quality meal at home, and this is what it looks like.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell below.